We are delighted to be here at Southern Manufacturing in Farnborough. We have the absolute pleasure of being on the Matsuura stand for today, and we are working today with Damien, who is the applications engineer on this MX-330. Damien, I'm going to ask you to talk us through this live machining that we have going on here.
Okay, so today we have the MX-330, there's a PC10 machine, and we're cutting the demonstration, which is a V8 engine block. We're giving this away this week on the stand. It comes with 3D printed HP stand.
Yeah.
Because we have the additive side and we have the subtractive side to Matsuura.
So it's a combination. So this is a V8 engine part. That's pretty sexy, to be honest. And was this made on this machine?
Yes, so we are doing 3 operations on this part. We're doing a pre-op for the lang goes on then for an op to do the main hour of the work, and then we have the third operation to take the back off. Now, the problem that people have with this machine is they think they need an automated machine to do hundreds of parts. Well, actually you don't. You can do small batches of parts and a variety of different parts as well. So we've got a variety of op 1, op 2, op 3, all in one operation going simultaneously from pallet to pallet.
So we're talking total. This is all about quality, isn't it, as well?
Quality. So finish-wise, precision, accuracy, this is what this machine's about, and automation to keep things running precise and running all day long and get good components off at the end of the day.
Tell me what's extra special about this machine. What do you like the most about it?
The bit I like most about it is how long it runs for and the time it actually gives you back.
Yeah.
So it is built on the automation, but we have safety features in there with the Renishaw probe and the Renishaw tool brake detect that you can reliably walk away from this machine and come back to it either in a few hours' time or the next day, and you've got a whole pallet full of good parts on.
So it's total peace of mind.
Yeah.
And everybody can come and see this live. That's what I think is really, really nice. And if anybody is coming to the show today, this piece can be for somebody that's really interested in what's going on. If anybody's bringing their kids along or anything like this, I think this is nice to see the future. And that manufacturing can be clean and nice and exciting.
Yeah.
Do you find it's like that for you, Damien?
I personally love engineering. I find it a good trade. And when you're working with a good machine and good tools and you get good parts off, it makes life so much easier and gives you that time back.